This is Letitia. She is an OT student studying the effects of a device that controls upper extremity tremors and dyskinesia in Parkinson's disease during feeding. The study is being conducted at a local Parkinson's disease center. Both Letitia's university and the center's institutional review board have approved the study. Letitia thinks her work contributes to the field and is eager to publish her results. Letitia received a lot of help from Kathy, who was an OTR at the local Parkinson's disease center. When Letitia was unavailable, Kathy also pre-screened everyone who expressed an interest in the study and distributed the device to all the participants. Kathy's hours have been reduced so that she can give her time to help Letitia. Dr. Lang is the medical director of rehabilitation services at the center. He is interested and supportive of Letitia's project. He often asks Letitia how the study is progressing and authorized space for Letitia to store the feeding devices on site. In addition, the center requires an on-site principal investigator, and Dr. Lang permitted his name to be used on the IRB form. Dr. Lang is currently being considered for an Administrative Research Award towards which research and publication are weighed. Dr. Lang has offered to write Letitia a reference and had suggested that he present the study findings at the next National Parkinson's Conference. Letitia hopes to get a job at the Parkinson's Center in the future and to continue her research with other patient populations seen at the center. Years ago, Mary graduated from the OT program, the same university that Letitia is attending. At the time, her senior project recommended the general design for a prototype of the current feeding device. Dr. Jones was her advisor and suggested the topic originally because Mary had a previous degree in mechanical engineering. Mary never published her project, but she did make a working model of the prototype. Letitia improved on this model. Dr. Jones doesn't know where Mary lives, and neither does the Alumni Association. Dr. Jones is now Letitia's primary advisor, and he suggests that Letitia study the device. Dr. Jones keeps up to date on the literature on feeding devices and has shared these resources with Letitia. Letitia has also been given a copy of Mary's report. Dr. Jones met with Letitia regularly to discuss the study and to review and edit Letitia's scholarly project. Alice is a graduate engineering student and Letitia's friend. Alice received extra credit for the project as part of a Designing for the Disabled class. She helped Letitia design the final version of the feeding device and got a friend to manufacture 3 prototypes at a total cost of $2,000. Alice also wrote the technical description of the device that was used in Letitia's scholarly report and will be used in the article. She made several important editorial suggestions that improved the article. The total cost was $2,000, paid for out of pocket by Letitia and a $1,500 grant from the engineering school to support student interdepartmental collaboration. Alice was the principal investigator of the grant. Darnell was a paid statistician, suggested the statistical analysis, and consulted on data interpretation. He was paid $300 for his work. One half was paid by Dr. Jones and the other half by Letitia.